The homie Beamer fam. What's cracking? How are you?
Doing good.
How was your little vacation?
It was good, man. Nice to spend some time with the fam.
I like that E60 M5 that you had in orange.
Oh yeah.
We got a photo shoot with the United 2. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to the car meet called Cars in the Wild. I've never been to this car meet before. It's out in LA. So we got a few homies with us. We're waiting for, I think, two more to pull up. And then we're gonna roll out and check out this meet. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's continue with the rest of the vlog. Someday.
Got inspired.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, guys, we are here with the homie Beamer fan. Beautiful mineral white M4. Sheesh, this thing is a beauty. If you guys don't know, go subscribe to his channel right now. Follow him on Instagram. Super clean. The homie Alex pulled up on us. E92 M3 6-speed manual. I think it's a beauty. This is a clean example of a E92 M3. What's up, bro? Super clean, guys. Check out the seats. Very, very clean E92 M3 comp. Absolute beauty. How much is the gas in a V8 right now?
Doesn't want to let me pay.
I put 50 bucks, almost a full tank. Almost. Yeah. V8 takes up way more gas than our inline sixes. But yeah, you guys gotta check out the homie Beamer fam. Super clean M4. Oof, the GTS looks so good. Even though she needs a wash, still looks good though. The thing is about this color is that it gets dirty so quick. You can see like all the dust and lint that sits on this car compared to like whites and stuff like that you can't tell they're dirty. But when you look at this, you can see like all the dust. Full Vorsteiner kit, M8 comp, big rich. That shit's clean. Oh my gosh, dude. Sheesh, we got a clean little Porsche right there. That is nice. Look who it is. It's GoCore.
Wow.
Bro, that's crazy. We would have left without him. Hey, we don't play about the time. When we say 8:30, we say 8:30. Sheesh, we got all the homies out today. It's about to be a good day. We got Enrique meeting us at the meet. We got Danny meeting us at the meet. It's gonna be lit, guys.
What's up, puto?
What's up? We've made it. We're one of the first ones here. We're actually about an hour early. We got all the homies lined up. Alex with the E92 M3, GoCore with the F80, Beamer fam, EJ with the M8, and then we got my GTS over here. As you can see, they got a bunch of cars. Damn, that's a lot of cars. Check this one out, guys. That's pretty sick. We got the GTR. That's clean. Look at that. Crazy. They got a bunch of cool cars in here. I've never been here before. Got a bunch of E30s, E46s, 2002s. Damn. Got the Ferrari. Look at that, guys. That's pretty sick. Sheesh. Check this out. That's pretty sick. Wow. I guess they got merch. You can chill in there. Look at that. Testarossa. Damn, this is pretty legit. This is sick. Damn. This is a legit shop. Look at the E30 M3. We got the GT3. That's pretty sick.
That's fine.
It's pretty legit. Look at this, what this is. Friends don't let friends drive stock.
Bro, let's race. Three of us.
It's sick.
It
This
works,
is a
actually.
sick shop.
Whatever. No, you have to wait. You ready?
This is the kind of shop I
Let's go.
Damn, check this out. They got a bunch of cool stuff in here. Little things. They got a bunch of like nostalgia. Oh, that's sick. Check that out. That's dope. What?
If the lids is still open,
Was already shopping? Damn.
that we kicked to the curb.
Dude, the qualities are good.
Yeah, no, I like the quality of the shirts. It's sick.
Ladies, I forgot. Bro, I'm a 90s
Pac-Man,
kid, but I still
Pac-Man.
forgot.
Yeah, so
They got some dope merch though.
It's
pretty cool.
And then our building next door.
Does it work?
It's a stick shift.
They got the Michelin Man on the floor? What? Why?
So like end of this month on the 31st, Nissan.
They got the candles. That's sick. That is dope. Vintage Beamer. It's pretty sick.
This game
You're the
over.
yellow one. You're the yellow one.
No, it didn't. It's the, I'm not the yellow one. Look. Which one am I? Am I that one?
No, none.
Look.
There. Now it's gonna work.
Don't get that. Did you get that?
Go, go, go.
Oh, yeah, I'm the yellow one.
You're that guy.
I saw this at Best Buy. They sell them at Best Buy. This whole
Have you seen the
scene.
movie Pixel with Adam Sandler?
Nah, I never
Oh
seen
shit,
it.
they're coming.
Oh, he got you. Oh, he got you, bro. Look at that turbos, guys. The turbos are crazy on this thing. Then I guess you come through here. There's another car shop. It's pretty sick. Damn, this is fire. I like this background right here. Pretty sick. Check that out. It'd be pretty cool to come and photo shoot a car here. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge, guys.
Check out the diamonds in this. This is a nice place.
You guys see all the sparkles in this?
30,000 square feet. That one we just paid.
Damn, this thing is insane. Where are we going? Oh shit. Whoa. Okay, that's fire. That is crazy. There's some old ass G-Wagons, guys. Crazy.
Has the plates and everything on it. It's fucking wild.
Yeah, this is how they...
That is freaking insane.
Yeah,
Who would have thought? That is fire. With the carbon hood. It's clean.
Yeah, we parked
Clean
it, but
GTR. All
you
over
have to
Nick. Anyways, they moved us over here to this side because I think for that side it's for like vintage cars, JDM style, I think. But they kicked the Beamers over here on this side. Sheesh, the homie Enrique pulled up on us. Okay, okay. Clean G80. Damn, look at that fitment. Crazy. Beautiful G80 M3. Damn, if Enrique would have came a little bit earlier, he would have been able to park with us. Now he's gonna park like that. What's up, Enrique?
What's up, bro?
How are you?
Good, excelente.
Sheesh. Homie Danny with the M2. Check this out, guys. This is crazy. Look at that. Sheesh. My boy got the vibes on today. That's just crazy. That is wild, dude.
Look at the spoiler.
On BBS's too? That shit is crazy. Damn, on HREs? The interior though. Crazy. Yeah, this is sick. Damn, this thing is clean. Look at that, guys. Insane. We got some clean E30s right here. It's almost like a Yas Marina blue color. We got the homie with this Dakar yellow E36 M3. Very sick. And we got the Jurassic Park. What? This is crazy.
13 feet tall at the hips, 40 feet from snout to the tip of its tail, weighing around 7 tons.
Crazy. The old school Corvette. Pretty sick. Sheesh. Just clean. Look how low that is. Pretty fire too. Miata with the wide body. Carbon on the fenders. Carbon rooftop. Pretty crazy. This is pretty sick. Look at that. I like this color. It's like a Nardo gray color. Got the little wide body on it. Pretty sick. Carbon wing. Sheesh. You guys see the little truck? That's crazy. Super clean. The homie Danny's M2. Super clean on the TEs. Very nice. Check this out, guys. Sheesh. Right hand drive too. This is crazy.
What is this?
I don't even know what it is. This is crazy.
Right here.
It's sick though.
Damn.
Salvage, salvage, salvage,
Damn,
salvage,
that's a-
salvage. All of the homies' whips, super clean. Which one would you guys take? E92 M3, F80 M3, F82 M4, M4 GTS,
Burbank.
the GTR, the E30, the E30, the M8, Enriquez G80, or the M2. Alrighty guys, we're about to go get some lunch. Burbles. Gotta love burbles. Got the whole squad with us. Just cruising with the homies. Yes, sir. It's a chill Saturday, just cruising with the boys.
And I'll check on you guys in a bit, alright?
It's fire. Damn, it looks so bomb. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.